Listen, don't encourage him. My roommate doesn't. My roommate.
I thought, okay, we need something that's a smaller cast because of the renovations that are happening in Tyler Hall right now.
Like it's cracking, it's popping, it's roaring out of time, it's settled in. And then
so what could we do that's small cast but will be really impactful? And The Shape of Things immediately came to mind. I knew immediately if we're going to do a 4-person cast, I want understudies.
Just go ahead. I'll meet you downstairs. I just want to.
Boy meets girl. Boy falls in love with girl.
bravo!
So boy makes some changes so that he can make sure that he keeps girl. And in the end, we wonder, are these changes actually for the better or not?
I think it was some sort of a statement.
I am cast as Evelyn, which is the lead female role.
Wow, you've got a real winning way, you know that?
Look, Phil.
I would say she's an obsessed artist, a very driven artist as well.
Adam is very, very, very complex of a character. He goes from this little guy caught in a shell to this big floundering fish just swimming in the ocean. Like he goes through like a really big transformation throughout the show.
I am Philip, played by Philip.
Which take back the night rally did you find her at, Adam?
He's very loud and boisterous, and he has that kind of presence of, you know, I'm here, right?
In general, it's a lot of fun to be able to see the entire process from the very, very start to the moment we take everything down. I love that. I've always loved watching the way the designs come together and the way that the actors transform themselves during the actual show.
I think they can expect to be thoroughly entertained. It's a really great play. I think the playwriting is exceptional. It's a great story.
Come see it with an open mind and ready to let it affect your perspective on different things. Just come at it with an open mind, open heart.